Hello there. This is an addendum to my Luthier's chest build. It's the hand tool woodworking class series that I had. I wanted to show you the completed chest. It is finished in black lacquer. I was going to like flat sand it and buff it out and get real fancy with it, but honestly, it's a tool chest. And this is perfectly good enough for a tool chest. So we're gonna just keep it simple. So I have the handles on it. You've seen that and the hardware. I'm thinking about buying some like chrome spray paint and spraying this to make it match the handles a bit better. I haven't decided yet. I'm really not hung up on that in the first place, but when I open the lid, I have my 12-inch rule, my rip carcass saw from Veritas, and my blade for my fret saw here in the lid. And then we have everything that you might need for setup, things of that nature. I have fretting hammer and different pliers and files and all of these adjustment things for action, magnifying glasses, screwdrivers, a small joinery saw, 4 chisels, my circle cutter for cutting rosettes, things of that nature, small plane for back brace work, a Stockman folding pocket knife for a marking knife. This is a shop made. It's just a piece of aluminum flashing, and I've cut a slit in it so that I can slide it over frets on the guitar fretboard and polish frets with it, things like that, and protect the board while I'm doing it, that kind of deal. So this has got setup work and other odds and ends. A lot of it is where I could find a place that made it fit. In the second tray has a log book to write down the procedures I did, how much time it took, any notes I want to put on what I did or what I changed or anything like that. And I have a number 4 in here, but this is size for a number 5, and the number 5 will go in here. But I've got a leveling file for the fretboard. I've got a little handmade block Paduke and spalted maple, and you would cut the frets to the size you want before you hammer them in the fretboard, and just stick them in these slots and in order that you're going to install them. The handle for my Luthier saw, my Grammel, this is the body of it, and then there's a beam with the blade in it and an Allen wrench to adjust it, and that is 2-cut binding channels. This is self-explanatory. It's a key bevel. So, and then the bottom of the chest, I don't know if you can see this very well, but I have a coping saw. I will be changing that out because the handle is very big, and I'll find an old vintage one with a wooden handle, just because it's smaller and takes up less room. It's less bulky. These are front and back templates for arching the braces on the top and the back of the guitar. A 10-inch double cut bastard file and a 10-inch Narex coarse cabinet maker's rasp. This is a flush cutting set of cutters to cut the frets flush with the sides of the fretboard. This is a tang nipper that nips the tang back a little bit from the end for when I install frets. A 12-inch combination square taken apart. Set of calipers and a 5R, an 18-inch 5R rule, which is 1/32, 1/64, 1/10, and 1/100th of an inch graduations. It's a machinist. I can lay out with that 1/100th and 1/10th graduation scale. I can lay out fretboards pretty much exactly. So that's pretty much everything that I need to build acoustic guitars by hand. The only thing that I don't have in this chest is one of these, because obviously it won't fit in that chest. Okay, this is what I cut the scarf joint for the neck with. But it's one tool. When I am cutting the scarf joint, I really don't need any of these tools except the hand plane. So I can bring this chest out here with me and this saw and have everything I need to do the scarf joint or anything else that I want to do. So that's the Luthier's chest. If you built along with me, your chest can be anything you want it to be. If you were smart and you bought tools, the required tools that were necessary to build, and if you built that chest, you bought them, okay, you could have built the chest large enough to hold every last one of them. So I hope that you have enjoyed building with me, and I have one that I am going to, another series, another class series next year that I'm going to do. I'm probably going to build a table. We're going to work with mortise and tenon, that kind of deal. But yeah, so stick around for that. This chest was built in preparation for the fact that I'm going to be building a guitar here soon. That will start pretty much at any moment. I'm in the middle of building a bending machine. I will probably put what I've got of that build on, but it might not be completed until time for me to bend the sides on the guitar build that's coming up. So anyway, bless you. I hope you enjoyed a little look-see at my chest, and I'll talk to you later.